Dun, 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 dun. Eunice is one of the friend of the week in her school. So, she had this book for her, what? Collection. Eunice, friend of the week. I am special because I have a lot of friends. Eunice. Okay. This one. Okay, we'll read it for you yung mga sabi ng classmates mo. This one is from Bryson.
Bryson.
Bryson. I like Eunice. She is nice. Okay, next. From Aviana.
No, Aviana.
Aviana. I'm sorry. I like Eunice. She is responsible and nice. Wow. From Elizabeth.
Elizabeth is my friend.
Yeah, Elizabeth. I like Eunice. She is my friend.
O, diba? Elizabeth is my friend.
Yeah. Next. From Victoria. I like Eunice. She is nice. Okay. Next. From Maddox. Maddox. I like Eunice. She play a lot. Okay. From Amari. I like Eunice. She is nice to me. Yun, nice to me. Next, from Amy. This is Amy and Eunice. This is Amy and Eunice. This is a drawing of. I like Eunice. She play tag with me and she is nice. Okay. From Catherine. I like Eunice. She is kind. Okay. Next, from Lucas. I like Eunice. She is fun. Okay.
Lucas is always naughty at school.
From Vincent. I like Eunice. She is nice. Next, what's from Ari?
Ariella.
What? Anyway, I like Eunice. She is kind and she is my friend. Okay, next from Katnick. That's Katnick. I like Eunice. She is not disturb me.
Wait.
Oh, from
Cortec, the one is beside my house.
From Cortec. Okay, from Koi. I like Eunice. She is nice. That's from Koi. From Vivian. I like Eunice. She was fun and nice. Okay, from Argelia? What's that? Argelia? I like Eunice. She is nice.
Wait, Mom.
From Yella.
No, Mom, look.
R J.
No. What's this?
J.
E.
L A.
L. Read that.
Ariella. I don't know.
No, it's Jalea.
Okay. From Harleen. I like Eunice. She is my friend. Okay,
I'm friends.
From Jalaya. This is from Jalea. I like Eunice. She is nice. Okay. Dami naman. From Learning. Leonard. I like Eunice. She is what's with me. She play with me Roblox. From Po. What's that? I read it. Po. I like Eunice. She is my friend.
3-0.
What's that? AJO? Leo. From Leo.
He's my friend.
Okay. From Hero 10?
Hero Tan.
Okay, I like Eunice. She is nice. Okay.
Hero did write his full name.
From Katie.
Katie.
I like Eunice. She build with me. Okay. From Oden. I like Eunice. She likes to play toss. What's that? Strayer?
No,
Strayer.
no.
Ah.
It is SK
I-E-R.
ILLE
Strayer?
and also V.
Shriv? Huh? I don't know. I like Eunice. She happy mom and dad. She has happy mom and dad. She has.
There's
That
hair.
is Sky? Skylar. Okay. Next. Next na. Malapit na. From
I cannot see.
Kaling?
Kalina.
I like Eunice. She is nice. Okay, and that's it. That's the last. All about
Eunice.
me, Eunice. My name is
Eunice.
Eunice. Okay. Tell Miss, what is my favorite sport is
No, this one.
a storybook. My favorite book is storybook. My favorite sport is
Basketball.
my parents are Jonalyn and Ferdy. Who's your Ate Kay, Kuya Alec, Kuya M. I am 5 years old. My favorite color is
Red.
I live in California. Okay, Lion King is
No.
your favorite. My favorite food is
Soup.
soup. My favorite TV show is Lion King. This is me. I have black
Hair.
Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the book of Eunice because she was chosen one of the. She's chosen last week. She was chosen to be a friend of the week last week, right? Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, bye-bye na. Bye. Bye. Here. Eunice.
Bye.